Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous. Summer's here and let's be real. Your screen time is up. Your skin forgot what glow means. You haven't moved in 3 business days. Yeah, it's bad. But guess what? That's exactly where we start the plot. Let's plan this summer like it's a soft reboot season with main quest energy. Movement that slays, not drains gym? Nah, we're doing Nikolas Pilates, that 30-min full-body burn that looks soft but hits harder than your past traumas. Here are the workout plans, choose for yourself. High snatched results, and it's giving long legs, sculpted waist, rich girl energy. Add a 10K step, hot girl walk with a playlist that screams, I am better than I was yesterday. Eat pretty, feel prettier. Water with lemon? Cute, but let's upgrade. Think colorful bowls, pretty smoothies. Meals that look like they came from a Pinterest fridge? It's not a diet, it's goddess fuel. Anti-inflammatory queens. Rise, we're feeding our skin hormones and glow. Romanticize for discipline, iconic. You don't need more motivation. You need rituals. Wake up, clean space, move. Read 10 pages, write your delusions down. Consistency is the flex. The discipline is the glow. Skin, scalp and soul detox. Dry brushing ice. Rolling gua sha, oil cleansing, scalp massages that feel like therapy. Goodbye, dullness. Hello, did she get filler? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more glow-up content. Bye!